Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if left or right arrow keyboard key not working in your Windows 11 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, not working properly arrow key on your system, then the first workaround is check scroll lock. A scroll lock changes how arrow keys move inside apps like Excel. So such type of a scroll lock key you will find in your keyboard. Press scroll lock once on your keyboard. Look for a small scroll lock indicator light. So go to your keyboard and you will find a scroll lock SCRLK key. Simply press it and look for a small scroll lock indicator light. So you must ensure that a scroll lock indicator light will turn on and check whether your arrow key on your Windows 11 system working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Second one is restart Windows. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issue on your system, so you must restart your system. After restarting your system, check whether your arrow key left or right arrow key on your keyboard working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is update keyboard drivers. To update keyboard drivers in your Windows 11 system, right click on the start button and choose device manager. In device manager window, you will find keyboard section, expand it. Right click on your keyboard driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. If you have another keyboard also installed in your system, then apply same method for that and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run the keyboard troubleshooters. To run keyboard troubleshooters, simply go to Windows search and here type look for keyboard troubleshooter and choose find and fix keyboard problems. Click on it. Here go to the option advanced, expand it and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. If any error found, it will inform you and accordingly take action. That's all.